National Weather Service Cleveland has issued a flood warning for Crawford County. This includes the city of Bucyrus, Marion County. This includes the city of Marion until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday. At 7:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated heavy rain was falling over the warning area. The rainfall has been heavy enough to produce flooding. Additional rain will continue to fall through the late evening hours. Some locations that may experience flooding include Bucyrus and Marion. Do not drive your vehicle into areas where the water covers the roadway. Most flooding deaths occur in automobiles. Turn around, don't drown. Repeating, an aerial flood warning has been issued until 2 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday for the following counties in Ohio: Crawford and Marion.